super excited because, yeah, look what we've got. Oh, I've got a brown box, but in the brown box, been on Slider again, got myself an absolute bargain. As you know, I've been looking for the Mavic Pro Platinum and sliding this down, you won't believe the price. Managed to get it for £855. What an absolute bargain. £350 off a list price, which is unbelievable. DJI store are selling the Mavic Pro Platinum for £1,199. The cheapest I could find it for a brand new one and not a refurbished unit was £1,050, and that was off of Amazon, but it was a seller, so still not 100% sure. But this is a brand spanking new unit with 12 months warranty on it, brand new. So let's crack on and get it open. Got the old lollipop. Really well packaged, got loads and loads of... Oh, look at that. Oh my word. It's looking good so far. If we get in the box, that would be even better. How do we open this? Oh, we've got like a seal across the bottom there, so let's pop the seal there. Oh my word, look at that. It is absolutely beautiful. It is beautiful. So we've got the controller, we've got a whole load of goodies here. We've got propellers, I think, and a charging lead. Oh no, it's charging lead. More packaging. Something else in here. Looks like instructions and stuff. Charger. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at that. I've done it wrong straight away, haven't I? Oh my lord, he's an absolute donut. He really is. Front legs out. There we go. That one, then that one, then that one, then that one. Oh, look at that. And it's got the gimbal cover and everything on it. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, really pleased with that. Slider.com. It has been unbelievable. We've had so many bargains from them, and this just being another one. So we've got the quick start guide, and basically it says here we've got to charge it up. So let's plug it in and get it charged up. So we've got everything. We're controller, we've got the Pro Platinum, we've got the battery pack. It takes a bit of setting up, to be fair. The instruction manual when you get it out of the box is this little dinky thing. It's not got a huge amount of information on there, just enough. It's got a quick startup guide. So I've gone through all of the procedures. We've got to obviously update the firmware, on the handset. So let's go back a step. You've got to download the DJI 4 app onto your phone. Then you have to upload the firmware, update everything, update the firmware on the unit, charging everything, charge the battery. The controller was completely flat, so that took a good hour and a half to charge up. The battery takes about an hour or so to charge up. But everything aside, we're all charged. Everything's ready to go. So I'm so excited. The packaging is just, it's so Apple. It's that lovely, beautiful cardboard coated, you know, everything inside the box, the shape of all the, it's so nice. It's just really well packaged. It's a lovely setup. When you get it all, you feel like you've bought something that's real quality. Even the little foam inserts where the controller sits into it, it's just all nicely fitting. It's very, very nice. So we've also got a various set of these different dongles for depending on what phone that you're using. If you're using an iPhone, a Samsung or whatever, you get all of these connectors. We've also got in the box, again, this is lovely. This is so nice. We get 2 of these little pouches, and inside the little pouch is this beautiful set of extra propellers. They're just so nice. It's all so beautiful. It's lovely. These pouches are lovely. They're dead soft and oozing quality. Absolutely oozing quality all the way. So we're all charged. It's all unfolded. It's just, oh, I mean, it is just stunning. It really is. It really is beautifully finished off. The legs and everything are just, they're just quality. The quality of it all is amazing. It just feels beautiful. So I'm really, really pleased with this. Now, obviously, if anybody's watched my previous videos, I had the Mavic Air. Didn't get on so well with the Mavic Air. It flew off. Bless it. This is running a different Wi-Fi. So I'm hoping it's got a much stronger signal. It runs slightly differently. You can even fly this unit without a phone attached to the controller if you want. So it doesn't rely on the phone as such as well. You can do it in different ways. But the distance is better. It's supposed to have a much stronger Wi-Fi signal. So I'm confident everything's going to be all right with this one. Oh God, I hope it don't fly off again. What a bit of kit. It looks absolutely stunning. And I'm really excited to get this flying. Let's get the battery in. And let's take it outside. Get it in the air. So there we have it. We've been out, we've flown the beast. It is amazing. It's so controllable. It flies absolutely beautiful. It's got that noise. It sounds like a Chinook. It's got that real good blade noise. It's amazing, it really is. I feel so much more confident with this one. The connection has been absolutely stable. We've done all of the calibrations, we've calibrated the compass, we've calibrated the IMU, straightforward, with no issues at all. So again, comparing it to the Mavic Air, which went so miserably wrong, this one is a completely different beast. It really is. It's stunning, and it's doing everything as it should do. There's no picture loss. I've got no connectivity issues at all, and I've been a good 1,000 foot away. It's been brilliant. So yeah, really pleased with it. Really pleased. So we'll get some more decent footage with it, and I'll be able to upload some decent videos and add a bit more dimension to some of my footage. It's the end of a saga. It's the end of it. It's been such a long while. It's over a year since I first copped eyes on one of these, and my mistake going for the Mavic Air originally, but now we are back to where we should have done in the first place, and bought the Mavic Pro Platinum, and it is absolutely stunning. And the deal that I got from Slider, don't forget that, because that was an absolute bargain. Just sliding that price down, £855. What a bargain. So yes, happy flying.